As Americans adjust to the concepts of social distancing, isolation, and quarantine, we also have to reconceptualize the way we eat. We've put together this primer to help you stock your pantry. Spices. Keep the basics on hand: salt, pepper, cinnamon, and some seasoning blends, like Italian, taco, and ranch. Canned goods. Canned vegetables can stand in for fresh. Also get soups, stock, tomato sauce, beans, fruit, and fish. Grains. These staples are a must: rice, oats, and cereal. Cooking oil. Olive oil, canola oil, and non-stick cooking spray are the most useful. Healthy snacks. Sometimes you just need a bite between meals. Nuts, dried fruits, granola bars. Condiments. Change up your cooking routine with different sauces: ketchup, mustard, soy sauce, hot sauce, and teriyaki sauce.